whoa, whoa. Here we go, here we go.
Good.
Round and round and round and round. Let's go, get out the way.
Enjoy what Johnny shows.
Hi guys, today we have a city high-speed train that looks like it is a Lego city, but it's actually Lily. Yes, Lila Cities. We bought this on AliExpress to compare it to our Lego City passenger train. So let's start comparing. Right away, we can tell that the figurines, although they look the same, are different because you have to add the arms and hands separately.
The hairpiece kept falling off too of one of the figurines. It wouldn't stay in place. What you doing with the bicycle?
The set comes with a train station, this lady figurine, this guy on a bike, and this train conductor, which is the same exact one as the one in our Lego train.
Okay, and putting it down. Look at the seat.
Let's see. Whew. Looks good so far, huh?
Okay, dude, stay there. This is so cute. Guys, the first cart is ready. Okay.
High-speed train is going to pull the Lego City passenger train. Whoa! It's driving so smooth.
How do I put down now?
This one opens here, but this one doesn't open.
Guys, it's ready.
Okay guys, so on the left, we have the tracks from the original Lego passenger yellow train. And then over here, we have these tracks from the Lego fake one, the AliExpress high-speed passenger train. And we're going to be building the same exact shape. So here we go.
So far looks so good.
It looks exactly the same.
Exactly the same.
Yeah, look here. Side by side. Left is Lego, on the right is AliExpress.
Except the Lego writings on it.
Yeah, this one doesn't have the Lego writings. This one does. If you zoom in just enough. Lego!
White train and I'll be yellow train.
In another video, we're going to be doing Lego train crashes. So we're gonna see which of these two survives. Guys, comment down below. Are you team yellow or are you team white?
I'm team blue.
Okay.
Yes, the track is finished and yeah.
Let's put this
Same
back.
shape. It says Lego City. This is the map of Lego City. Now let's see the other station. This is the other station and here's a map of Nothing City. There's nothing written up there. I guess if it was the original Lego one, it would say Lego City probably. But there's nothing there. Okay, turning on the trains. Johnny's going to be representing Lego City passenger train. And Dad has this AliExpress high-speed train. Who's the fastest?
I am. I'm getting more speed.
Are you going the fastest speed, Dad? Oh my God! He derailed!
Yes, I'm winning.
You won for this round.
Because he kept hitting this.
Oh, the station was too close?
Yeah.
Round and round, round and round, round and round and round and round.
Okay, I'm ready.
Where'd you go? Do this, Dad.
Lego City is a little faster.
Go, 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 level 4. This is level 4?
Going fast.
Go backwards now. Dad's going backwards. You go backwards too. This one dries very smooth. This one also dries pretty good, but I feel like, I don't know.
You can hear like,
Yeah.
This train.
You hear some squeaky sounds. Like, it's not as smooth as this. This is just like rum, 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 full power.
I am the going in the backwards.
you hear that squeaky noise?
Listen. That's the squeaky sound.
See, this one don't make any squeaky sound.
No squeaky sounds there.
This was like a half of price. I think it's worth it, no?
I am the fastest
Yeah.
train.
Price-wise, this was like how much? Like 120 or something like that. No, almost 200 bucks. Yeah, 100 and something. Like 160 bucks, and this was $60.
$100 more.
So $100 less. I mean, you know, for 60 bucks, it runs pretty good. It's good. We don't encourage you guys to really buy fakes because, well, you know, this is,
You don't know how long it's gonna last.
yeah, you don't know how long it's gonna last, and Lego will always have good quality and they have good customer service.
I am going faster.
Not sure about this one. If it breaks, I don't know. Are we out of our money? Okay, for durability, I'm not sure yet. I know for Lego, Johnny plays with it pretty much every single day. It's fallen down and everything so many times, and it's still running pretty great. This one though, I'm not sure how long it's going to last. Bricks on this one are not too shiny. I don't know if you care about that, but some people do.
Do we connect the tracks?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. Yay, the track is ready. It looks like a dog bone.
Yes, guys, the track looks like a giant dog bone.
No, 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 no. I'm a dog. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Whoa! Ah! There's a chase! There's a chase! He's catching up to you!
I'm afraid of you! You're afraid
Lego's catching up.
Yeah, wait, what happened, Lego? Ah, you're waiting to run away. Run away, Johnny! Johnny just switched the cards of each of the trains. So the Lego passenger train has the Lily AliExpress high-speed train, and the Lily AliExpress high-speed train has the Lego City passenger train cards. This is so cool. Oh, whoa, here we go, here we go.
You can catch me, you can catch me.
So Dad is driving the AliExpress train and Johnny is over there. Wait, why did you stop? Oh. Johnny, you better run. You better run away.
Yay!
I think you're near. Wait, stop the train. I will help you.
I'm pushing you.
Somebody has a messed up, derailed passenger coach.
I'm not forgetting you. I'm an officer train, Dad. I am an officer, and you're the bad guy. Got you, bad guy.
Need my coach back.
You can catch me, you can catch me.
That's my coach guy. God.
Oh, Dad, that's going really fast.
Yeah, it's light, that's why.
Yeah, I guess
Time for reaction.
maybe these are too heavy for it. No, get out to it. Yeah. Dad, you're out. You're out. It crashed, but it didn't come apart. Like, I was thinking all the Lego pieces were gonna fly everywhere, but it's intact. Everything's good. We really had so much fun playing with this train and seeing the difference because, you know, it is a big difference in price.
And we make a dog boat.
Yeah, huge dog bone track. So let us know what your thoughts are. Leave us comments down below. Give us a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next time. Bye.
Bye.
See what Johnny shows next. See what Johnny shows next.